it's Lola McPhee. I'm showing you Toy Story. I'm not sure if you like Toy Story, but anyway. There's not many Toy Story videos actually on YouTube, but I have a Buzz Lightyear. He's a big one. It's like, see how big he is? Yeah. Got Buzz Lightyear. I've also got Jessie. I've only got 3 characters. But anyway, I've got Jessie. And I've also got, you know that Dolly girl? I don't know. It's not exactly her, but yeah, bye.